Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news: India's democratic evolution, key policies. Exploring three critical developments shaping India's governance and landscape comes under GS2. Electoral transparency, new vote counting reforms. Election Commission modifies vote counting process starting with the Bihar Assembly election. Postal ballot counting must conclude complete before EVM counting begins. Address the opposition concern and ensure complete transparency in electoral process. Postal ballots enable voters who cannot physically attend polling station to participate in elections by mail. Service voters include armed force members, police serving outside state government, employees posted abroad. Special categories: President, Vice President, Governors, Cabinet Ministers, election duty personnel. Accessibility focus: senior citizens above 80 years and persons with disabilities. Strengthening democratic participation. Postal ballot system significantly enhances electoral inclusivity while presenting implementation challenges that require careful consideration. Democratic significance ensures constitutional right to vote for service personnel, senior citizens, and personnel with disabilities. Implementation challenges includes requires robust verification mechanisms, secure postal systems, and transparent counting procedure to maintain electoral integrity and public confidence. Postal ballot process first application. Eligible voter applies to returning officer for postal ballot. Ballot issuance. Ballot paper issued and sent by post to voters. Secret voting. Voters mark the choice in complete secrecy and privacy. Return process. Marked ballot sent back to returning officer before counting day. Fighting air pollution. Delhi's cloud seeding initiative comes under GS3 environment. Delhi government partners with the IIT Kanpur for groundbreaking cloud seeding trials to combat escalating air pollution through artificial rain generation. This innovative weather modification technology represents a proactive approach to environmental challenges. A collaboration signed Thursday aims to enhance precipitation and improve air quality in national capital region. Cloud seeding technology. Cloud seeding artificially stimulates clouds to produce rain or snow by introducing seed agents that encourage concentration and droplet formation. Silver iodide, most common agent, mimics ice crystals to trigger precipitation in clouds. Sodium chloride, table salt used in coastal and warmer areas for cloud modification. Dry ice, carbon dioxide (CO2) rapidly cools air to aid condensation and droplet formation. Cloud seeding application, drought relief, increase rainfall in drought prone agriculture areas to support crop production. Water reservoir enhance snowfall to boost water storage for urban and rural consumption. Hail suppression, protect agricultural regions from damaging hailstorms. Fog clearing, improve visibility around airports and highways for safety. Infrastructure development trade routes. Land Port Authority of India is upgrading infrastructure to boost regional trade connectivity and economic integration. Current operations: 4 checkposts at Agartala, Srimanpur, More, and Sutkarkandi. Regional trade: strong connection with Bhutan and Bangladesh via land custom stations. Myanmar challenge: trade decline since 2021 coup impacting More border operation. Northeast export performance: total value financial year 2021 to 22 over 1,800 crores for agriculture and allied products. Growth 2018 to 2019, 2019 to 2020 increased 13.9%. Assam dominance over 1,700 crore. Northeast unique export products: tea and cereals. Assam dominates with over 50% of share of India's tea export alongside rice and dairy products. Specialty chilies: miso chili, king chili, boot jolikia with high capsicum content. Premium spices: Lokadong turmeric from Meghalaya and unique regional spices from with distinct properties. Traditional craft includes cane and bamboo products, mugo and dairy fabrics, showcasing regional artisan skills. Northeast India export challenge 0.13% exports and 70%. The concentration of exports include four states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Please practice this mark question. Thank you.